Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today is a very exciting video because it is going to be an unboxing of my BoxyCharm, and it's just not my usual BoxyCharm this time around. It is the BoxyLuxe. Look at this fat box, you guys. It's so huge. So this is the BoxyLuxe, and if you guys don't know what the BoxyLuxe is, it is BoxyCharm's upgrade. And they have a lot more products in here. It does cost another $20, so in total it'd be like $40-50, but there's a lot of products in here that's very luxurious. That's why it's luxe. But yeah, I'm so excited because I'm so happy that I was able to get on this list. I was able to get the box this month. They did have one like 2 months ago that I wasn't able to get on. I tried to get on it, but of course I wasn't able to get on in time, and they were just starting it and it was just a big mess. Honestly, I was really pissed and mad because I really wanted the BoxyLuxe for September. I think it was September. It was either August or September, and yeah, I was really bummed out because I really wanted to try the products that came in the box. So I was really disappointed, but I was able to get my hands on the December one, and I'm so ready to show you guys what's inside this big old box. Christmas definitely came early or something because this is so huge. Just like, just can't wait to show you guys what's inside. So yeah, I did go ahead and open this up, but I will be showing you guys what's inside. So if you guys are interested in seeing what's inside, please continue watching. Guys, so when I first opened up this box, whoa, so huge compared to my smaller box. We do have all the goodies in here, you guys. Just take a look at that. It's like all the goodies. So I do have a way bigger paper here. So this is, the theme is called "'Tis the Season." So yes, I do have all the products information over here that I will be explaining. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 products in here. That's actually, I feel like that's actually less than last box, but the price is pretty high for these, so these do retail at a really high price. So I am not mad at that. Yeah, let's just go ahead and jump into what's inside this box, and I'm just gonna pick up what's first, and it is this one right here called Glam AF. So this is the first thing that's caught my eyes. Oh my god, I don't know where I'm supposed to put this, but I'll just leave it here because it's like I'm unboxing like gifts on Christmas Day or something. But yes, this is a Glam AF bag, I'm assuming. Oh, so it's from Crimes. It's from Crimes of Beauty, and it is a wristlet and a portable charger. So there's a portable charger that's inside. So this is really cute. Glam AF. So I could definitely put a lot of makeup stuff in here. And then there's a portable in here, which is super cool because I am definitely in need of one. It's super cute and sleek. So it just says Crimes of Beauty, and then it's just a portable charger. This bag is really sleek, and I like that it's black. This does retail for $22, so it is super cute, not bad at all. Next product that I'm super excited about is this big old one here, and this is the Luxe Complete Face Brush. Oh my gosh, Luxe brushes, you guys. I mean, this retails for a lot. Let's see. It's the Luxe Rose Gold Complete Face Brush Set, and it retails for $65. So this is so pretty. It's a rose gold set. I love rose gold. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 brushes in here, you guys. Can I take it out? This is super nice. I love it. I can't wait to use it. It feels so new as well. So just going to take this out. Oh, this is cool. So I could just pop this on my vanity table, you guys. So we do have different brushes on here. So we have this flat brush, and this one could definitely be a good one for contour right here. This one is definitely good for highlights, and these are good for eyes. And then we have a spoolie here. What is this one? This one is kind of strange. What is this? Oh wow. So it was face down like this, and I was like, what is this? It's a brush. But yeah, I took this out, and I guess you just pop it in like this, and then you have like a nice tiny shader brush. Next product that we have on here is from Pretty Vulgar. It's super cute. This is called the Powder Room Translucent Setting Powder. So it looks like this from Pretty Vulgar, and I think it's super oh my god, this is so cute. It's like a little tiny pom-pom in here. So cute. Powder myself. This is super cute. So okay, so yes, I am always in need of powder because I love to bake my face. This is really interesting, so I am like super excited to try this one out. This did retail for $32. Oh my gosh, I mean, I know this is in Sephora, so yeah, this is super exciting. I really want to try it out, and I love the packaging of Pretty Vulgar's. Like, their product is just so vintage looking, so it's really cute. Next up we have is Spongel Blossom Bliss. This is a body wash infused buffer. I haven't really tried anything like this before. It's an all-in-one beauty treatment. It's a body wash and buffer. So place sponge under water, squeeze to absorb, massage in a circular motion to cleanse skin. Squeeze out excess water after each use. Okay, so it's like a little buffer. It smells super nice. Oh my god, it's like shaped like a star. How cute is this? So, okay, so I guess this is like a little sponge thingy. So, okay, I'm definitely gonna be using this tonight in the shower. Yeah, it smells really nice as well. It's so cute. This does retail for $20, so not bad at all. It will cleanse, exfoliate, massage, and nourish, which is what I need for my skin. So I'm super excited for this one, you guys. And it smells so nice. Like, it's like on my hand now. It smells so fresh and clean, you guys. So I'm ready to go take a shower now. All right, next up we have is this Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. So this cream here, this is an anti-wrinkle day cream, which is for fine lines and wrinkles. Let's just open up this tiny little box. Okay, so it looks like this. It's a nice little clear product. It doesn't really smell like anything, but the cream is in here, so I would definitely be using this. Yeah, I'm really excited to try this one here. Let's see, what does this retails for? This retails for, oh my gosh, you guys, can you guys guess? Retails for $89 for this tiny little thing right here. Oh my gosh, does Sephora sell this? Because I'm not sure. I mean, the brand sounds familiar, but I'm not really sure if Ulta or Sephora carries this. But yeah, $89, you guys. This is super crazy. This costs more than the box itself. The box itself only costs like $40–50, and this is already over that. So this is already like $90. So oh my god, this feels so bougie. Oh my gosh, okay, yes, this is what I saw in the box. So I knew we were going to get the Violet Voss Holy Grail palette. I am so happy because I've been dying to get my hands on this palette for so long now. This one time I was going to get this palette, but it was out of stock. So I got the Like a Boss palette instead, but I'm so happy I did not purchase it because it came in the box, and I am so happy for that, you guys. So let me just show you guys. This is like the very first palette that I've heard of when I first discovered Violet Voss. So this is like so exciting. So the palette comes in like this. This is like their newer packaging, I believe. So Violet Voss Holy Grail palette, and oh my gosh, super gorgeous. We got some warm tones, berry tones, gold tones, neutral tones. So we got all the tones that I love in here, you guys. So yeah, I finally got my hands on this palette, and I'm so excited, you guys, and I can't wait to use it. And Violet Voss has really good palettes. I do own one of their palettes, and it's so pigmented and it's so nice. So I'm so happy to add this to my collection, and I'm just over the moon, you guys, because like I say, I'm so excited because I've been wanting to get my hands on this, and I'm just so happy that it came in this box. Merry Christmas to me, you guys. But this does retail for like $45, I believe. Yes, $45. We'll be creating a look with this palette soon, so stay tuned. We do have another palette that I chose from the I didn't want a mini travel size straightener because I have my own straightener, so I just want to carry that one, and I feel like the tinier one can't really like straighten my hair as much. So I chose this palette instead, and I believe this palette comes in the BoxyCharm palette or the BoxyCharm box. This is called Protege and it's from Suva Beauty. So I've not really heard of this palette or this brand before, but it is really sleek and cute. Like the little design here, the little face design here is super creative. And the inside is actually really nice as well. So we have 6 shades in the middle right here, and then we have like 2 highlighting shades. So yeah, it's super pretty. Like there's the burgundy tones and the warm orange tones, which I just use always. So yeah, I'm super excited to try this palette out as well. I'm not really sure how it's going to perform, but I am excited to try. And this palette does retail for, let's see, where is it? $34. Wow, this is pretty pricey. Yeah, but I feel like the packaging feels really sturdy and really chic, and I like that it's so sleek and it's just black, so it is really nice. We have 2 more products left, and that is it that's in this box, you guys. And let me put this back because this is so fat. But we have this one. This is from Grande Cosmetics, and this is the mascara, and this is the lash boosting formula. So it's like a nice gold packaging. I don't really use Grande products that much, but I am excited to try this one. I just love trying out different mascaras because I don't really have much of a preference because I don't have lashes anyways. So I just like a mascara that can help give me some volume and some lift. So this is a lash boosting formula, so I'm excited to try this one. This retails for $25. So yeah, I believe Sephora has this on their website, so yeah, I'm excited to try this one. All right, we are almost to the finishing line. Oh, so the last thing that we have on here is from Tarte, and this is the Tarteist Shimmering Lip Paint. So I did get this very beautiful glittery color, and this is called Insta Famous. So this is a very nice color. It's so glittery. Just swatch it on here. It's like, oh wow, it's super nice. Yeah, it just has like a nice, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it has like nice shimmery pink reflex, and it's just like really like glittery and glossy. This retails for $20. It's the usual Tarte lipstick price, so yeah, not bad at all. But yeah, I am so happy with the stuff that came in this box, you guys. So I am so happy that I was able to get my hands on this box and I was able to be on this box. I think all these products is totally worth that $40–50 price for that Boxyluxe. It is a little bigger than the usual BoxyCharm. The BoxyCharm, you only get 5 products in there, but this one you usually get more. In this one in particular, I got 9 products, so I got like 4 more products, and they're all full-size products too. Sometimes in BoxyCharm you get deluxe products, but majority of it is full-size, but once in a while you do get like a deluxe product. So for this one you get like all full-size products, and you get some really good brands in here as well. You guys should definitely subscribe to BoxyCharm. I know that BoxyCharm is like it's like the best subscription box out there right now currently, and I can't believe I've been a loyal subscriber for so long now. I just love everything. I just feel like BoxyCharm keeps climbing up, and they're just doing so well, and I love BoxyCharm, and just keep doing what you're doing, BoxyCharm, because you guys are definitely killing it. Super happy that I was able to discover this subscription. And yeah, definitely click on the link below if you guys are interested in getting BoxyCharm. I think it's totally worth it. The usual BoxyCharm box only costs $21, and you get 5 products in there, and I think they're totally worth it. You get to find new discoveries and new products that you will probably forever love, because I know I do. That is all that I have for this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks you guys, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.